Scrub-a-dub-dub, scrub-a-dub-dub. Captain Bubble is here today. He chases all the germs away. He's round and soapy, shiny and bright. He keeps your hands clean left and right. Scrub-a-dub-dub, scrub-a-dub-dub. First turn the tap, let water flow. Wet your hands from high to low. Now squeeze the soap, squirt, squirt, squirt. Captain Bubble fights the dirt. Scrub-a-dub-dub, scrub-a-dub-dub. Rub your palms, rub, rub, rub. Give your fingers a good scrub. In between each finger too. Captain Bubble's counting with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're almost in heaven. 11, 12. Scrub under nails. Captain Bubble never fails. Scrub-a-dub-dub, scrub-a-dub-dub. 15, 16, scrub some more. 17, 18, nearly done for sure. 19, 20, hooray, hooray. Captain Bubble saved today. Now rinse your hands under the tap. Watch the germs go snap, snap, snap. Down the drain they swirl and go. Bye-bye germs, hi-ho, hi-ho. Dry your hands with a towel so neat. Captain Bubble stomps his feet. Clean hands, hip hip hooray. You did it right, have a great day. Scrub-a-dub-dub, scrub-a-dub-dub. Captain Bubble loves you, that's the end. Wash your hands and he'll come again.